Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. Material's wetted. Help bring out the colours. The white that you're seeing there's a light reflection. Black that you're seeing there's a permanent marker that's been marked out. Cut the stones out. Nice sort of matrix. Seams over here, so more of this might come out, but you need a Dremel type tool to do it. This is purple matrix dots. Green. Just an off cut with a little bit of colour in the middle there, not really strong. It's got seams of opal going through. Might want to grind that top off. See what you get there. And then go down to the second piece, which is going to be thin. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.